Question number 1.
Pierre agreed us to the museum in Paris. A. Join. B. Joining. C. To join.
Question number 2.
Sophia enjoys coffee at the cafe near Rome. A. Drink. B. Drinking. C. To drink.
Question number 3.
Matteo promised his grandmother in Berlin next weekend. A. Visiting. B. To visit. C. Visit.
Question number 4.
They discussed a car to travel across France. A. Rent. B. To rent. C. Renting.
Question number 5.
Claire refused late for the meeting in Paris. A. To be. B. Being. C. Be.
Question number 6.
Luca can't help when he hears Italian opera. A. Sing. B. Singing. C. To sing.
Question number 7.
The students decided their essays before Sunday. A. Finishing. B. Finish. C. To finish.
Question number 8.
We look forward to you in Berlin soon. A. See. B. Seeing. C. To see.
Question number 9.
Sophia suggested to Rome instead of Milan. A. Travel. B. Traveling. C. To travel.
Question number 10.
Matteo offered us carry the heavy luggage. A. Help. B. To help. C. Helping.
Question number 11.
Pierre ran an old teacher on the streets of Paris. A. Into. B. Over. C. Out.
Question number 12.
The train broke near Berlin, causing delays. A. Down. B. Up. C. Off.
Question number 13.
Sophia said early to avoid traffic in Rome. A. Away. B. Off. C. Out.
Question number 14.
Luca turned the invitation to the French concert. A. Up. B. Down. C. Out.
Question number 15.
Matteo picked Italian very quickly during his stay. A. On. B. Up. C. Out.
Question number 16.
The teacher went the homework instructions again. A. Over. B. Up. C. Out.
Question number 17.
Sophia grew in a small town near Paris. A. Up. B. Out. C. Off.
Question number 18.
They carried the project despite the challenges. A. On. B. Out. C. Off.
Question number 19.
Claire looked her keys but couldn't find them. A. At. B. 4. C. 2.
Question number 20.
Luca gave smoking last year in Rome. A. Up. B. Out. C. In.
Question number 21.
Pierre arrived Paris at midnight. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 22.
Matteo was born April 12, 1990. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 23.
Sophia prefers studying the morning. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 24.
We will meet 5 p.m. at the cafe in Berlin. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 25.
They usually go skiing winter in France. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 26.
Claire visited the museum Monday afternoon. A. On. B. At. C. In.
Question number 27.
Matteo stayed Rome for 2 weeks. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 28.
The bus stopped at the train station in Berlin. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 29.
The shops close early Sundays in Paris. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 30.
They studied late night before the exam. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 31.
After the long flight, Pierre was too tired to attend the meeting. A. Therefore. B. However. C. Similarly.
Question number 32.
Sophia wanted to visit Rome. Matteo preferred Florence. A. Consequently. B. However. C. Similarly.
Question number 33.
Luke loves Italian opera. Claire enjoys German symphonies. A. Similarly. B. Consequently. C. However.
Question number 34.
It rained all week in Paris. The streets were flooded. A. Consequently. B. Similarly. C. However.
Question number 35.
Matteo forgot his umbrella. He got completely wet. A. Consequently. B. Similarly. C. However.
Question number 36.
Sophia lives in Berlin, speaks 3 languages fluently. A. Who. B. Which. C. Whom.
Question number 37.
Paris is the capital of France, is famous for its art. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whom.
Question number 38.
Matteo, you met yesterday, works in Rome. A. Whom. B. Who. C. Which.
Question number 39.
The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, attracts millions of visitors. A. Which. B. Whom. C. Who.
Question number 40.
Sophia, parents are from Spain, was born in Germany. A. Whose. B. Who. C. Which.
Question number 41.
Neither Pierre nor his friends going to Berlin tomorrow. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 42.
Each of the students completed their homework. A. Has. B. Have. C. Were.
Question number 43.
Everyone must bring own ticket to the concert in Rome. A. His. B. Their. C. Its.
Question number 44.
Somebody left umbrella in the Paris cafe. A. His. B. Their. C. Its.
Question number 45.
If Sophia earlier, she would have caught the train. A. Leave. B. Had left. C. Left.
Question number 46.
If Matteo studies hard, he passed the exam in Berlin. A. Would. B. Will. C. Had.
Question number 47.
Had they invited Luca, he joined them in Rome. A. Will have. B. Would have. C. Has.
Question number 48.
Pierre likes hiking, swimming, and A. To ride a bike. B. Riding a bike. C. Ride a bike.
Question number 49.
Sophia wants to either study in Paris and Rome. A. Or. B. And. C. Nor.
Question number 50.
Matteo is not only intelligent also very kind. A. And. B. But. C. Or.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.